Here it is. All the parts fully painted. Here are all the rose gold pink. Oh, yeah, the rose gold. Look, that pretty much looks like a metallic pink. The bloody red. AK Interactive's gunmetal. I have gold by Mr. Hobby, as well as metallic red, which looks nice. I always keep forgetting how nice the metallic red looks. And I used it also on some of the parts here, like these little clear parts, whoops, which is right there. And then I also put it on the holes here, so I can put it on the side of the arms. I think it goes on the side of the arms. And then this one here, you can't see it, but I may have to put it up in the light so you guys can see that. Let me do a zoomy. And there you go. There's the jewel right there, which I painted it red. Obviously if you flip it around it may be green, but it's red, using metallic red on it. For those who don't know, over the weekend on Sunday, yesterday actually, to tell you the truth, yesterday, I did a live video of me recording, me painting the remaining colors, which was the gray, the gunmetal, the red, the gold. I did that on Facebook, and I said, let me try this, and so it could show. I was like kind of like, I didn't want to like do this and say, you know what, I've not tried a live broadcast again on Facebook other than when I went to MosquitoCon, but I said, let me do this, and it came out pretty well up to a certain degree, and it was fun. It was fun. It was also difficult for me because, for whatever reason, my HD webcam did not want to work from Facebook, and it's the same one that I used when I did the live broadcasts on YouTube. Facebook didn't want to register it, yet YouTube, it was okay. Maybe I could have done it on YouTube and broadcasted it from Facebook, but I said, let me do this way. So instead I did the broadcast through my cell phone, through my Galaxy S9 Plus, which was really nice. And it was only, I think it was there for about an hour. Just me, well, it was an hour of me working and talking, and I saw a few people asking me a couple of questions, not too much though. But yeah, this one, everything you see here is done. All the parts are done. I even painted the little eyes here. This one I painted it red instead of doing the neon green, so that way it's all conformed to being, TransAm. In which case I'm like kind of questioning myself, maybe I should have painted clear red or something on my Perfect Grade Exia when I brought it to MosquitoCon. But yeah, it's alright. That's fine. Yeah, this one came out really nice. See? Nice and smooth. The flat GN drives look nice. You can see there. Oh, I also painted this. Let's zoom in. See? It came out nice. Yeah, I think that was the only thing that was that the only thing I masked off? Oh yeah, and then I painted this, that part here, so that one's there. So yeah, everything you see here that represents the kit, which now I'm going to begin final assembly. So let's clear the table and let's start putting this kit together. Okay, we're going to begin now assembling the torso and the head of the 00 Diver Ace unit. First thing I'm going to do is remove this from here, take it off, and take this, this, and oh, it's the opposite direction, so we do it this way. And let's see here, I gotta do the alignment right. There we go. So that goes like that. Then we take this here, and this one here, and then we close this up like so. And wow, it's getting warm in here. Hold on a second. Hold on. Let's. Hopefully I got the alignment right. There we go. Alright, so that's like that. Then we have the gold part that goes right on top of this. Then we have the front part that goes here, like so. Push it in. Neck piece, which I should have painted it metallic, but don't know if it's going to show through. We'll find out. I could always pop it out and repaint it again and put it back in again, but it's no big deal. Let me take the ball cap for this, put that here, and put that like that. And then we have this part, followed by this, like this. Goes in there, like so. Then we have these two little poly caps. One goes here, the other goes there. Then that connects to that, like so. So that's done. Now, this one is we're dealing with now smaller parts here, and don't know how well this is going to turn out. So we have this part. Alright, so this one we put under first, the chin. Come on. There we go. That goes all the way up like that. And then we have this opposite end like this, so that actually seals it up. Don't know if you guys could see the eyes, but we'll see that soon enough. Then we have the back part that goes like, it goes here. There we go. Then, ooh, we missed something. Where are you? Here it is. We have this part that goes there, like so. And then the two pieces here. Let me cut that off. It goes there. And then goes there. And if I'm not mistaken, that was close. This one goes there. There we go. And the other one goes there. Oops. Oh, what's going on here? Am I putting in the right one? Maybe it's in the opposite direction. There we go. But we definitely need to squeeze it a bit. Just doing a stress test to make sure it doesn't fall off. Then we have the V fin. Oh, first we gotta put this one on. So it goes in the opposite direction, like that. The V fin, and then the jewel here goes on top of this. Just trying to grab it right. There we go. Now I felt it went in, and then that goes in like that. There we go. Yeah, I think that looks good. Very nice, very sharp. Nice and sharp. And then we might as well put it on here. Slowly. Get it in there. Thank you. Didn't want it to break and bend. There we go. So there you have it. Torso and head of the 00 Ace Diver. 00 Ace, or is it? You know what I mean. Is now complete. Alright, let's continue on. Alright, so the next part is going to be the arms of the high-grade Gundam 00 Diver Ace TransAm. And like I did the last time, all I need to do is put this on. I don't have to take this apart. But put it like that. If I can get it in there, there we go. And then you have these two little clear parts, which I did paint. So that goes there. Eek. Come on, get over here. And then this one goes here. Up. Come on. Come on. Alright, so that goes in there. And then this one, I believe it goes like this. Yes. Which of course doesn't make any sense why you're putting this on since you're covering that. But, alright. It is what it is. I'm going to put this one here. Followed by this that goes there. Followed by this that goes here. And we put out the trigger hands. And we put this one in here. And there you go. The arms of the 00 Diver Ace TransAm is done. Look at that. Nice. Let's now move on to the next part of the build.